Selling quickly in Annapolis. 46 went under contract this past week in just 5 days from hitting the market. Wow. It's Friday, May 12th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. Only 7 properties came to the market over the past week, so with 46 going under contract and only 92 on the market right now, Annapolis has about 2 weeks of inventory if nothing else comes to the market. Homes priced between $1 million and $9 million comprise 33% of what is for sale, while 5% are priced under $300,000, and the balance fall between $400,000 and $1 million. 21401 has 33 for sale, 21403 has 43, and 21409 has 16 for sale. 26 homes sold this past week at 100% list to sold ratio, proving that prices haven't dropped in Annapolis quite yet. The highest priced home sold over the past week was a waterfront on Crab Creek for $3,330,000. Rental inventory is at 20 properties for lease at a median $2,775 per month. Rentals are going under application within 21 days of hitting the market. Know that you don't want to start looking for a new rental too early if you plan to rent a property, to avoid having to carry 2 properties simultaneously just to be considered for a property that wants a quick occupancy. So, what can $2,775 a month buy you in Annapolis right now? This or this? Or this, subject to down payment, credit score, interest rate pricing, and other qualifying requirements. Contact me if you want to discuss your buying options. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 12, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Mother's Day weekend to all the moms out there and those who are stand-in moms. Have a good weekend. I'll see you next week.